Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your time tracking with Clockify, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing your time tracking with Clockify, start by creating an account if you don't have one yet. Visit the Clockify website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, such as your email and password. Once registered, log in to your account. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. On the dashboard, click on the Time Tracker tab. Here, you can start tracking time manually or by using the timer feature. To track time manually, enter a project name and description. Select the task you want to track from the drop-down menu. Set the start and end times for your task. If you prefer using the timer, simply click the Start button when you begin working. Once you complete your task, click on the Stop button. Next, review the track time for accuracy. If adjustments are needed, hover over the entry and click the pencil icon to edit. Here, you can change the duration, project, or add additional tags. Make sure to save your changes once you're done. To optimize your time tracking, create projects and tasks. Go to the Projects tab and click on Add Project. Fill in the project name and select a color for easy identification. After creating a project, add relevant tasks by clicking on Add Task. Assign these tasks to the project you just created. Now that your projects and tasks are set, utilize the Reports feature. Navigate to the Reports tab to view your tracked hours. Filter your reports by date, project, or user for better organization. This will give you insights into how you and your team are spending time. To enhance your time tracking accuracy, consider setting reminders. Go to your account settings and enable notifications. You can set reminders for when to start or stop tracking time. Another valuable feature is the Pomodoro timer. Enable this feature to break your work into intervals for better focus. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.